Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Fiesta wing mirror. Before starting, gather your essential tools like a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. It's also crucial to have the exact replacement mirror for your specific Ford Fiesta model. Working in a well-lit, clear area will make the process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. To begin, carefully pry off the interior trim panel that covers the mirror's mounting bolts. Use your trim removal tool to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the panel is off, you will see the electrical connector. Gently disconnect it. Next, unscrew the 3 mounting bolts that hold the mirror assembly to the door frame. With the bolts removed, the old mirror should detach easily. Now, take your new wing mirror assembly and carefully position it onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Insert and firmly tighten the 3 mounting bolts to secure the mirror in place. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror, ensuring a snug fit. Before replacing the trim, test the mirror's power adjustments and any heating functions to confirm they work correctly. Finally, carefully reattach the interior trim panel, making sure all clips snap back into place securely. Double-check all mirror functions, including power adjustment, turn signal indicators, and heating elements. Ensure the mirror is stable and doesn't wobble, which could affect visibility. A properly installed wing mirror is vital for safe driving and maintains your vehicle's appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.